Hi, my dear friends. Welcome to our channel. And today we are going to learn about question tags. What are question tags and how to use question tags? Clear now? See, let us come to know what are question tags and how to use question tags. And before going to know that one, please subscribe my channel and also please support me. So, thank you and come to the lesson. What is the today's topic? That is question tag. Okay, let us come to know how that is. See, first question tag. What is question tag? Question tag. Tag means what? Tying something to the statement, given statement. Tying or adding to the question, to the statement, given statement. If you add something to confirm, to ask something. Clear now? See there, for example, Rama is a good boy. Clear now? So Rama is a good boy. So if I ask, what you will do here? If you ask here, what isn't he? Yes, this is what question asking, adding question here. So here isn't he? We added here what isn't he? Clear now? So isn't he? We added here. So that is called what? Question tag. Understood? Such kind things are called. See a question tag. Here Rama is a good boy. It is given statement. It is one statement. It is one sentence. We have added here what? Isn't he? Yes, to confirm that one. Yes, like this. Yes or no, like this. To ask like that, we'll add something as question. That is called what? Question tag. Clear now, my dear friends? Now you understood what is question tag. See how to use and what are how to use that. See, to use that one, by using that one, we'll classify here how two types. How one is a negative structure and one more positive structure. What is negative structure and how is positive structure? See there. See how to use that in first thing. So we have to use here negative structure, negative question tag. What is that? Positive structure, positive sentence. Okay, if the sentence is positive, we have to use negative structure, negative question tag. Clear now? So next, what is there? Positive tag. See this positive tag we have to use if the sentence is negative sentence. Opposite we have to use here. So it depends on that sentence. So if the sentence is positive, we have to use negative tag. If the sentence is negative, we have to use positive tag. Clear now? Don't confuse here. Opposite tag we have to use. Clear now? It depends on that given sentence. Okay. Okay, my dear friends. Now you understood what are tags. Okay, let us come to know how to use that. Okay, to use that I have two tricks here, one few tricks here. How they are? See there, very easy tricks you can understand very easily. Okay, yes, let us come to know. See that structure, by structure, with the structure we can use that one very easily. See there. So this question tags have two structures. One is negative structure and one is positive structure. See, for negative tag and for how it is there. For negative tag, first structure, what is that? See there, given sentence, comma, plus helping verb. Next, plus not, short form of not, n apostrophe t. Okay, plus what is that? Subject pronoun. Subject pronoun. Okay, pronouns are many in English grammar, but we have to use subject pronoun only. Okay, see that subject pronoun and next question mark. This is what? Negative question tag structure. Clear now? Positive structure. What is that positive structure? See that positive structure, given sentence as usual. Okay, plus what? Helping verb, plus what? Pronoun, subject pronoun, plus what? Question mark. Okay, as usual. So these both are what? Structures of question tags. Clear now? First one is what? Negative structure. If the sentence, given sentence is positive, we have to use negative structure. Next, second one is what? Positive structure, positive question tag. It is for what? If the sentence is a negative sentence, we have to use positive structure, positive question tag. Clear now? Yes. Now you understood. Okay. So first, let us come to know how to apply that one by one. So first I will take here negative tag question tag. What is that negative tag question tag? See there, just for example, Rama example. Rama, how to apply this one? Rama goes to school or temple. Okay, this is what one sentence, one example. Rama goes to temple. How to add for this? What question tag? See, Rama goes to temple. This is given sentence. See there. So according to structure, what we have to use there? First given sentence. Okay, given sentence, what is there? Rama goes to temple. Okay, this is what given sentence. Okay, so now you clear. Okay, next comma, we have to use next rule. What? Comma. So next what is there? Full stop. So in place of full stop we have to use comma. So next, what is that? Helping verb. Okay, see here, Rama goes to school. Where is helping verb in this sentence? No, because it is simple present tense. We will not get where simple present tense and past simple past tense. So here we will use what? Helping verbs for what? Negative and yes. Okay, see here, Rama goes to school. Okay, this is what Rama goes to school. What is the positive sentence? What is this? Positive sentence for negative tag. Okay, so if it is positive sentence, what we have to use? Negative tag. Clear now? So we got here what? Given sentence. What is that given sentence? Given sentence is what? Rama goes to temple. Okay, this is given sentence. Next, helping verb. So we have taken here what? Does, because it is simple present tense and also subject is Rama. Any singular noun, there will be what? For es, ies for verbs. So for this we have to use does. Okay, so how to use do forms, to do forms? So already I have uploaded one video for that one. So how to use that one, you can see there. Okay, let us come to know what is that. Does. Okay, we got here does helping verb. Next, what is that? Not, short form of not, that is ant, n now apostrophe t. So not form of not, so short form of not, so we used here. Clear now? So see there, subject got given sentence got now, and also subject helping verb we got now, and also what is that? Not. And next, what we want? Pronoun, subject pronoun. What is subject pronoun? So Rama is given there. According to gender, we have to use here what? He. Understood now? He. See, according to gender, we have to take subject pronouns. Okay, and next question mark. This is what? How to apply. Okay, well, now we applied what is that? Structure of negative. Clear now? Negative question tag. Clear now? So now you understood how to use negative sentence, negative question tag. Okay, so see, if there is a helping verb, how? It is very easy. For example, Rita is going to school. Okay, this is one example. Rita is going to school. Here, helping verb is given there. So there is nothing confusion to take what? Helping verb. Okay, if in that sentence, if there is helping verb, you can use that one very easily. Okay, so this one also, shall you take this one also? Okay, let us come to know. Rita is going to school. Okay, Rita is going to school. This is what? On given sentence, it is positive or negative? Yes, it is a positive sentence. For positive sentence, what we have to take? Negative structure we have to take. Correct? Yes. See there, given sentence, what is there? Rita is going to school. Okay, next, what we want? Helping verb. Very good. Helping verb. What is the helping verb? Is. Okay, comma we have to use, given sentence, and next, what? Is. Clear now? Rita is going to school, and next, what? Is. Not. Next, what? Not, short form not, and next, what? She. Okay, pronoun, subject pronoun she. Isn't she? Yes, question tag is what here? Isn't she? Okay, so now you understood how to apply. Okay, let us come to know negative for negative sentence and positive structure. What is positive structure here? See there, positive structure given already, I told you. Okay, so just how to apply that one, take on few examples. Same, you can take that one, same examples. Which one? Rama goes to temple and Rita is going to school. Yes, let us come to know how to apply that one. Take that one. What is that? Rama goes to temple. Same. So, but here we have to make this one a negative sentence because positive tag. Clear now? How to make this one? Rama doesn't go to temple. Yes, Rama doesn't go to temple. This is what? Negative sentence. For negative sentence, what we have to take? Positive tag. Okay, given sentence, comma, plus, what is that? Helping verb. Okay, what is helping verb? Does. So next, what do we want? Subject pronoun. What is subject pronoun? He. Yes, because Rama, according to gender. So subject gender, what we have to take here? He. Yes. See, he and question mark. Yes. Does he? Yes. This is what? Question tag. Does he? This is what? Question tag. Yes. Very good. So next, one more example. What is that? Rita is not going to school because a negative sentence positive tag. Yes, Rita is not going to school. Yes, take here given sentence Rita is not going to school and comma and plus what is that helping verb is and next what subject pronoun what is that she because Rita this is gender okay according to gender we have to take what she here yes is she question tag yes question mark and this is what question tag is she yes Rita is not going to school is she yes this is what question tag yes my dear friends now you understood how to use question tags clear now positive tags and also negative question tags very good so today we learned my dear friends what are question tags and how to use question tags okay so next we will learn still more grammar points in next our class okay so until that take care bye see you we'll meet in our next class okay thank you and have a nice day